welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a travel diary of my trip to Yellowstone, and it was a really special trip and I was really excited to go on it. Now I want to let you guys know that we did not stay at any hotels, and we also have been quarantined for 14 days and had no symptoms or anything like that. And you know, we wanted to put other people first and keep ourselves and others safe, so we did not put anyone at risk. We stayed 6 feet apart and it was a really fun trip. So I hope you all enjoy, and of course let me know down below if you guys have ever been or somewhere that you guys want to go. And without further ado, let's get on to it. I forgot to mention, if you guys are new to my channel, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shelby, and definitely make sure to subscribe. And if you're not new, thanks for sticking around. I'm so glad to see you guys again. So roll the clips.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna mess around. I figured out. Cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down. Even when you wanna walk away, when times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down.
Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown, a crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be with us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Hey. Better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing.
Guys, so thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Now this is a really special video to me, and my parents have been wanting to go here forever, and we probably won't be able to ever go again because we're so busy all the time, and this was a time where everyone was able to go and nobody had work or things overlapped, and it was just really special. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed it because I really enjoyed filming it, and I am sorry I didn't vlog, but I didn't want to vlog there because I feel like it's just so pretty, and there's, like I said, there's a pandemic going on and there's not much open or to vlog, and you know, showing you guys the park and things like that are just so cool, and just being able to bring you guys there as if you are there really is just amazing. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I love you all so very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye!